Okay, that's a little better. I called earlier and we had a terrible phone connection. I got a message from Amazon that my account has been blocked and I don't know how to fix it.
Uh, just need to update your Prime account, okay?
Is
So,
that the problem?
mm-hmm. Yeah. So I will update it. Don't you worry. I will update payments and like those things for you, okay?
Oh, okay. Well, you got to unblock it first.
Yep. I will do everything for you, whatever you want.
Okay.
Yep. Help me with your zip code.
Yeah, sure. It's 61036.
And your name?
Ulysses S Grant.
Sorry?
Ulysses S Grant.
Please stay on the line. I cannot hear you. Let me change my headphones, okay? So do
Okay.
not disconnect the call for next 2 minutes.
Okay.
My name is Matt. How can I help you today?
Yeah, can you hear me better? I was on the phone earlier and the guy had trouble hearing me.
Yeah, tell me please. How can I help you today?
I was having problem with my Amazon account. I got a notice saying
Okay.
my account had been blocked, and I don't know how to fix
Okay.
it. I don't know how to fix it.
Okay, you have a problem in your Amazon account, correct?
Yep.
Okay, I will fix it for you, and I'm extremely sorry for that. The trouble which you have faced. Okay.
Okay.
So, what is the yeah? Is there any code is showing there?
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Is there any activation code is showing there on your TV screen?
I'm sorry. I can't understand what you're saying.
I'm saying, is there activation code is showing on your TV screen?
All I know
Hello?
is I got an email saying the account had been blocked.
Okay, let me activate it for you. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah, give me your billing address so that I can activate it for you.
Sure. It's
Yeah.
500 Boot Hillier Street,
Yeah,
Galena.
it's 500, 500. Can you start over again?
Yes, 500 Boot Hillier Street, Galena,
Just allow for
Illinois.
me.
Okay. Bouthiller Street.
BOUT.
Right.
After BOUT, then HI.
H is in Henry, Iller Street.
Okay. Okay, street. And then what is your zip code?
61036.
61036. Okay, let me check your address.
61036.
Okay. Okay, it's 500 Brooklyn Estate, Galena, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So I'm going to activate it for you. So there will be one-time charge for that. Is it okay for you?
Don't you want my name?
Yeah, I have all your information. So there will be one-time charge. Is it okay for you?
Well, why should I pay to have my account unblocked?
Yeah, because it has been locked. So we need to generate a license key again and we need to set up your account again. Okay. So there will be one-time charge for that.
How much?
Yeah, it's a $46 only.
I don't understand. I got to set up my account for free the first time.
Yeah, you set up the first time, but it is locked now, so we need to generate a license key, and then we to activate on your TV screen. So there will be one time to set up all the things, okay? Because we have to start over again for you, and everything we need to set up for you,
Why
okay?
why should I do that? I can just go on and create a whole new account, right?
Because see, even if you're creating a new account, so all your like information, whatever you have a having, that will be leaked from there. So you need to use the earlier account only. Okay, it will be better for you. And it is not for because we need to generate a license key for that, and that because of that we are asking for that $46 from your side. Okay,
Okay.
so should I do it for you?
Okay.
Yeah, happy with your billing, happy with your card, which card would you like to use? Is this a MasterCard or a Visa card?
The Visa card.
Yeah, help me with the number, please.
4716-0595-5295-130.
One second. Can you be little slow? 47.
4716
Okay.
0595
Okay.
5295
Okay.
1306
Okay. Okay. What is the expiration date?
10 of 21
10/21. What is the CVV number?
121.
121. Okay. Spell out your name, please.
Ulysses, Ulyses, middle name or middle initial S, last name Grant,
Okay.
Grant.
Grant. Okay. Okay. Tell me your cell phone number, please.
I don't have a cell phone.
Yeah.
I got a landline.
Okay. You don't have a cell phone?
No, but my number is 815-627.
One second. Because see, I'm going to send you a bill for that. Okay, so I need your cell phone. Do you have any your family member cell phone? Because I'm going to send you an invoice for that. The payment which you made for that, I will send an invoice to you.
What
Do
do
you have
you
me with the cell phone number?
What are you going to send now? I didn't catch that.
I'm sending you an invoice for the payment which you will make right now. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Have me with
Okay.
the cell phone number.
Okay. 815
Yeah. Tell me.
815
815.
627
Okay.
075 0754.
075. Match the number 815-627-0754, correct?
Yep.
And I'm spelling out your name Ulysses, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So I'm going to bill it for you. I'm putting your call on hold for 2 minutes. Stay connected. Don't hang up the call and don't mind my silence also, okay?
Okay.
Okay, stay connected. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. So what is the expiration date of your card?
10/21.
10/21. So the card has been expired now.
Oh yeah, you're right. I hadn't noticed that. Well, I'll have to call the bank, get a new one.
Yeah. So you don't have a card right now?
Well, that's the card I have. I don't use it very much.
Yeah. So do you have any other card you have?
No, that's the only one.
Okay, but this card has been expired now because it's running 22. Okay, 2022 is running, and
Yeah,
the card which we're giving is of 20.
Yeah, time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? My goodness.
Okay. So do you have any other card of your family member or anyone else so that I can do a payment for you and I can activate it for you?
No, not at the moment. I don't understand why you can't just unblock it. Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
I got a gift card here. Would you take a gift card?
Yeah, help me with the gift card, please.
Okay, I got an Amazon gift card here. Or I'll tell you what,
Give me the gift card number.
I'll give you a Google Play gift card, okay?
Yeah, give me the Google Play card.
It's $50 gift card, so I want you to give me change.
Okay, I will give a change for you. Okay. Give me the
Okay.
card.
ADJL
No,
SVWR.
no. This card will not work. Okay.
Why not?
I need either you can help. Yeah, either you can help me with the prepaid card, or a debit card, or a credit card. Okay, you can help me with that.
It's a Google Play card. What's wrong with that? You can use that, right?
Yeah, that is not working. Okay, it will not work.
Why not?
Yeah. So either you can help me with the debit card, credit card, or a prepaid card. Do you have a prepaid card?
Oh no, I just have some gift cards.
No. That gift card. Could you tell me the gift card number? What is the number of the gift card? Can you start?
Okay, it's a Google Play gift card, $50. And it's
Okay. That gift card will not work. Okay, that gift card will not work.
you just said to give you the number.
No. Either you can help me with the debit card or a credit card or a prepaid card. Okay.
No, I don't
Gift
have
card
one.
will not work.
Okay, well, I don't have one of those.
Yeah, you don't have? Yeah.
I thought gift cards always worked.
No. It will not work. Okay. Okay, so tell me if you have, because I'm going to disconnect the call. Okay.
Okay, I guess you have to. I'll get a new card.
Okay, so you have a new card?
I will get one from the bank.
Okay, you don't have right now?
No, I don't, but I got to go to the bank to get a new one.
Okay, get a new one and then call, okay? I will help you out for that, okay?
What time is it there? I'm not too far from the bank.
Yeah.
Where are you located? Maybe I can get to the bank here in about 15 minutes.
Okay, so within 15 minutes you can get?
Yeah, I could probably get one in about 15 minutes.
Yeah, go and get.
What
I'm
time
on
is
call, go and get.
what time is it where you're located? I don't want you to be
Yeah,
closed.
you can. Yeah, you can call. You can call either. Give me your cell phone. I will call you tomorrow. Okay, give me your cell phone.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I already gave you the number, didn't I?
Yeah, you gave. That is your number only.
Yeah, that's the phone number, the cell phone. You asked for that cell phone number. I gave it to you
I will
already.
call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow in morning. Okay.
Okay,
I'll call you tomorrow morning. Okay, and I will activate it for you. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Thank you. And hello.
Yeah,
And ready with the $50. Okay.
he would what? Say that again?
I'm saying that ready with the payment, okay? Be ready with the payment.
Be there with the what?
I'm saying be ready with your money, okay? Be ready with the money.
Oh, you want cash now? I can get cash.
No. Be ready with. No. You can have in. Be ready with your card, okay?
Okay, I'll see if they. Yeah, I should be able to get one. I'll wait till tomorrow to
Yeah.
get it. If you don't,
Yeah.
if you're
Be
not
ready
gonna,
with.
if you're not gonna wait tonight, I'll get it tomorrow sometime.
Okay. I will call you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay.